Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So we're going to take a look at Derace today because the beta version is now out. So let's take a look at the charts to see what's going on, okay? So looking at Derace on a daily time frame, the game launched around December 29. And if you notice right here, the December 29 candle is pretty much around this zone. So there are a couple of things to surmise here. One is there's such a thing as buy the rumor, sell the news. So December 29 was the launch date for the game. And if you notice, the price started to rally, but it was a fake rally. Because seasoned traders, what they do is they use the hype trying to make you buy in. And then when it's closer to date, or if we meet certain resistance levels like the EMAs, then they suddenly dump back, making the launch of the game pretty much a non-event. So these things do happen in the market. If you're trying to wonder why the price didn't move up, that is one reason why. The other key learning here is when the markets are bearish, so if you look at Bitcoin here, we are still below key levels. Good news is most often ignored because we are on a downtrend. And the opposite thing happens. During bull runs or during price pumps, bad news is largely ignored. So just keep that in mind. So right now, when we map out the Derace structures, we currently are in the C wave. So since the beginning, this is your wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Right now, where are we? We just had an A wave right here. This is the B wave high where we met resistance, unfortunately, in the EMAs. And currently, we are still in the C wave right here. The tricky thing about C waves, though, it's very unpredictable. We can either crab sideways like this, or we can actually go lower. So let's map out the scenarios on what happens to both. So on a daily time frame for Derace, we actually are at critical support levels right here. So the current price of $3.23-ish needs to hold. Why is that? Because if you look to the left, we have held it here, and we have held it here, and we have held it here as well. So this is pretty much the last line of support, because the next level that we will fall to would be this particular swing high right here of around $2.77. So it's quite a significant drop if we lose this support. But one of the good things about Derace being in line with the overall market is regardless of whether we hold this or if we go sideways for a while like this, or even if we fall and go to the next levels of support right here, the same action plan exists. Treat this entire zone as pretty much your accumulation zone. So if you believe in Derace, then just DCA accordingly. So another thing that you can do is you can actually split your investment funds into two. That's the good thing about gaming cryptos. You can split it on the NFTs, because while the token is down, this is actually a good opportunity to just focus on building up your racehorses and just allotting a small amount of the token if you feel that Derace will continue to go down to certain levels before you buy back a significant portion before its subsequent move to the upside. That is also another option. But either way, if you believe Derace is a good project, then just continue to invest accordingly. This is the perfect time to invest either in NFTs or to the token themselves. If you like that video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you want me to make a video about your favorite gaming crypto? Be a Patreon subscriber so you can request for it. Being a Patreon subscriber helps keep the channel sponsor, shill, and Moonboy free. Take care everyone. Bye-bye.